Waiting for the moment. be patient, but running out of